Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. I just want to say big thank you to every single one of you guys. We're at 26,000 subscribers. This is so awesome. Thank you so much for all your comments, your feedback. You guys are just rock stars. And who's not subscribed, they're missing out on the cool builds. So make sure you guys subscribe. So enough of this talk, let's get back to work. Hey, what's up guys? We finally got to the Ferrari 488. We're gonna remove the bumper, the rocker, the tail light, kind of free everything up, and we'll start cutting the quarter panel out. So enjoy it. Alright, the rear bumper is off. Same with the rocker molding. So now I remove the tail light and remove this spoiler. Should be fun. Looks like a bunch of screws are holding it. So yeah, let's get it. Alright, the rear spoiler is off completely. That's how it looks underneath. So we'll remove the tail light and this shield to see what's going on. Alright, we got the tail light out. So next we're gonna remove the shield. Let's get it. Alright, we removed the cover. That's how it looks. There was 3 bolts holding the quarter to the roof, so it should just slide out once I remove all the rivets. Alright, we're gonna remove the inside trim panel. Glass guy is coming tomorrow to remove the glass, and then we'll start cutting the quarter panel out. Alright, the inside panel is all apart. Now we could easily remove the glass. And same with the quarter panel. So now we'll take the door apart, remove the door trim, so it's not in the way, so we could repair the door. Alright, door panel is off. Same with the side glass. So now we could start cutting the quarter panel out. And that's how Ferrari looks with no panels, no bumper. It looks pretty cool. This is a major key. Make sure you guys tag and bag everything so you could put the car back together. Alright guys, that's a wrap for part 2. Make sure you guys subscribe and stay tuned for part 3. Don't forget to like, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.